Recently, BYD's sub-brand Fangqingbao officially launched its new EV model, the Titanium 3. The pre-sale price ranges from 139,800 renminbi to 203,800 renminbi, approximately $19,000 to $29,000. The vehicle features a unibody construction and offers an optional intelligent onboard drone system. The Titanium 3's design draws inspiration from a Starship vehicle. It features a closed black grille, with two parallel daytime running lights above the headlamp. The lower front bumper has a trapezoidal design that integrates the license plate mount, millimeter wave radar, and silver trim elements on both sides. Compared to the Leopard 5 and Leopard 8, the Titanium series leans more toward a personalized and fun-oriented design. The company notes that the Titanium lineup will emphasize playability and lifestyle features. The front and rear fender flares are wide and feature recessed angular cut. Vertical air vents are integrated into both fenders. The vehicle uses pop-out hidden door handles and has silver trim along the side skirt. In terms of dimensions, the Titanium 3 measures 4,605 mm in length, 1,900 mm in width, and 1,720 mm in height, with a wheelbase of 2,745 mm, positioning it as a compact SUV. The taillights and rear bumper echo the front-end styling. It comes with a two-piece rear spoiler and a rear wiper. The tailgate opens sideways and includes a rear-mounted cargo box with a 28-liter capacity, enhancing storage capabilities. Multiple wheel designs are available, paired with red brake calipers. The previously showcased model featured two 45/50 R19 tires. In addition to the standard version, a model equipped with an intelligent drone system is also available. This version is 210 mm taller, with dimensions of 4,605 mm 1900 mm 1930 and a 2,745 mm wheelbase. It comes with a custom DJI Air 3S vehicle-mounted drone, dual-mode controller, intelligent drone bay, and a 4K roof-mounted camera. The system supports automated takeoff/landing, dynamic tracking, dual aerial ground shooting, and one-click social media sharing. All Titanium 3 variants come with the Eye of God C Advanced Driver Assistance System. The setup includes 29 onboard sensors, 5 mm wave radars, 3 front view cameras, 4 side view cameras, 1 rear view camera, 4 surround view cameras, and 12 ultrasonic sensors. Features include highway navigation, assist, and intelligent parking. The interior features gray C-shaped trim surrounding the dashboard, embedded with multicolor ambient lighting. It includes a floating full LCD instrument cluster and a 15.6-inch central touchscreen, along with a 12-inch head-up display. The steering wheel follows Fangqingbao's signature 4-spoke design, featuring multifunction buttons and separate drive and terrain mode scroll wheels. The secondary dashboard continues the Leopard series design language, but lacks retractable gear selector and built-in flashlight or microphone. The Titanium 3 has a 2+3 5-seat layout. The seats are upholstered in leather, with perforated surfaces at contact points. Front seats offer electric adjustment, ventilation, and heating. The rear seats have 3 headrests, a center armrest, AC vents, and USB ports. A built-in compressor refrigerator is located inside the center armrest console, with temperature control via the central screen or auxiliary knobs. The fridge supports cooling from -6°C to 6°C and heating from 35°C to 50°C. The rear cargo area is flat and can be expanded via 60/40 split folding rear seat. Additional storage is available beneath the cargo floor. The vehicle also includes a 151-liter front trunk. The hood supports electric and remote open/close, with adjustable opening height and hover function. According to BYD, the Titanium 3 is built on the EVO intelligent platform with a unibody frame. It features front and rear dual electric motors with a combined output of 310 kilowatts, a top speed of 201 km per hour, and 0 to 100 km per hour acceleration in 4.9 seconds. It uses CTB battery integration technology. The standard version comes with a 72.96 kWh LFP battery, offering a CLTC range of 501 km. The Titanium 3 is equipped with a proactive Preview Plus D2C intelligent damping control system, which enhances ride comfort and handling by recognizing road conditions and adjusting damping in real time. It also features the ITAC Intelligent Torque Control System, ITS Intelligent All-Terrain Recognition System, and TSS Tire Blowout Emergency Stability System, covering scenarios such as skidding, off-road driving, and tire blowout. What are your thoughts on the Titanium 3? Do you like this vehicle? Thanks for watching. Subscribe to my channel for more updates on Chinese cars.